We're here with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are talking light and breezy salads. We are in the thick of summer. It's officially summer Monday, and we are talking about the Southwest pasta salad. Charlene.
I thought it would be great, like you said, to have some things to kind of cool us off. And salads just seem to do that. And they can be hearty salads, but they can be awfully good and cool and refreshing for us. This pasta salad uses an orzo pasta. So it's kind of the rice-shaped pasta. I cooked it ahead of time. And now we're going to add roasted chicken. I'll let you add that. And this is easy. If you have leftover chicken, you can add it. You can get it from the deli, easy to do. Now we have 1 cup, it's 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese, and I've just cubed it. We'll add that. Oh,
give it a little pat there.
Get it a little bit there, very good. And then we'll just add all these ingredients. We have the black soybeans that we're gonna add to that. And then we have corn. And if you've had corn on the cob this summer and had any left over, cut it off the cob and use it in this recipe.
Oh,
that would be good. That was green pepper that you added. Now you're gonna add some tomato. Great. That gives us another color. And then some red onion that we're gonna add. And I'll mix this together, and then you've got our dressing. And this is 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, which is another soybean product with the dressing in it. And then you have 1/4 cup of soy sour cream and 1/4 cup of cilantro that's been chopped there. Mix that together, and then we'll put it in here and stir it together. And that's all there is to it, to this recipe.
Very
How
easy.
easy is that?
And this would be a fun one. If you divvy it out in those bowls, you can do it with the kids. Very easy, and they can dump all of the ingredients into the bowl. You give me the easy jobs, Charlene. Thank you for that.
So we're just going to mix that, and this would be a recipe that would be good to make ahead of time because you could put it in the refrigerator and all those flavors will blend a little bit. But another idea for serving it that I have here is that we have wonderful tomatoes at the farmer's market. Pick one of those juicy tomatoes, and then I just cut it. I cut a little bit off the bottom so it's nice and flat on our serving dish, and then made petals out of it by just cutting it 2 different times, and then put this in the center of it. So you have 2 different ways you could serve it.
How cute is that? Individual servings for a barbecue or whatever you're celebrating this summer. Well, thanks so much, Charlene. Do you have a website we can go to?
KansasSoybeans.org.
All right, perfect. Check that out. We'll be right back.